Deputy Commissioner Manish Kumar IAS but Superintendent of Police Vikash Kumar IPS na East Jaiñtia Hills District hakastep jangka khandai tarik urempang arja apun rio kila 1 ban ai Jubab hakmat ke Meghalaya High Court namar ke Jingwad batai bom dynamite hakram doyong hatang school keblajia hakastep santarik urempang arja apun rio. Kini kejing betai bom dynamite hakram doyong kala syam ya kejing jong arpo nyongot bat pen mensaru bun ngot kinong belati doyong bian ha kate kejaka bat kekot kala patom yakini ki arngot kedairu na kejing sim khia jong ka halor kate kejing ja ka basngosi. Nakaliang Vikash Kumar IPS SP ke East Jaiñtia Hills District ulaong kejing Bteng wat yo dang don ki basakut hakram doyong kadang ya chakmat wat la Khlem lap Metïap Shuh. Ulaong bagi pulet bat ken hon ai jingrap kidang don ha jaka bejia kene ke Jingja. Kejing lap Metïap na kate ke Jingja ka long khat pratli ha ka santrik urempang bat pratli ha ka henriu tarik urempang arja arpun rio lem uwe ubayap ha jaka sumar na ke jing mensaujur.
In connection with the illegal coal mining blast that happened on the 5th of February and the local high court had taken the cognizance and the DC and SP of East Jaiñtia Hills were called for personal appearance. In that connection, we had come to the Honorable High Court and we'll be, since the matter is sub judice, at this stage, we cannot say much. We'll be doing our bit that is required. And search and rescue operation is still ongoing. The investigation in those cases, in the case is ongoing. We have made arrest and it is going in right direction, and I'm sure that we'll bring it to the logical conclusion. We'll be getting the order by evening, so after that only we'll be able to say that which date appearance will be there. No, it is still ongoing as of now. Yeah, yesterday also it was there. We could not recover any body yesterday, and today also the search and rescue operation is still ongoing. It will depend on the teams that are deployed there in the area, SDRF, special rescue team that are there. At the same time, we will take the considered decision subsequently because we have to see the terrain and everything.
Hakaway pat kaliang umentri rangba ka jala ukonrat kes sangma ulapentip baka sarkar jala kala thau daga Judicial Inquiry Commission hapo Commission of Inquiry Act bantokit banya halor ka jingja batai bom dynamite bat ka yeng ka shariru ka penlong ka jingpet banya.
Habatin, pej bahagi ki shop plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka shop plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka shop plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.